Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This short video is about a very common medication which is used in obstetric and gynecology, and that is Famila 28. Every gynecologist is aware of this very important medication, but it's very important to know about some facts related to this Famila 28 so that we can explain it in a better way to the patient. Okay, so let's come to Famila 28. Famila 28 comes in a packing of 28 tablets. Okay, and it's very important to know about its composition. Basically, we have 28 tablets in which we have 21 white tablets and 7 brown tablets. So, what is the composition of those 21 white tablets? That is basically the combination of estrogen as well as progesterone. Estrogen in the form of ethinyl estradiol and progesterone in the form of levonorgestrel. Levonorgestrel is 0.15 milligram and ethinyl estradiol is 0.03 milligram. Levonorgestrel is basically a second generation progesterone. As all of you know, we have different generations of progesterone. The first generation include norethindrone, lanestrol, and ethinodiol, diacetate, and norethindrone, etc. The second generation includes the levonorgestrel and norgestrel. The third generation includes desogestrel, gestodine, and norgestrel, and we have fourth generation as well. So this levonorgestrel is basically the second generation progesterone. Okay, now what about the 7 brown tablets? 7 brown film coated tablets. Each contains ferrous fumarates 75 milligram, which is equivalent to 24.37 of ferrous iron. Okay, and dosage is that 1 white tablet is taken daily for 21 consecutive days, followed by 1 brown tablet daily for 7 consecutive days, according to the prescribed schedule. So that is something which is written on the back of that packing. Okay, now what is the mechanism of action? It would be better if we explain this to the patient as well, that this is the mechanism of action. So we will tell the patient that these birth control pills work by stopping sperm from joining with the egg. Okay, so this prevents the fertilization. When the sperm join with an egg, it is called fertilization, and the hormone, the pills stop ovulation as well. Okay, no ovulation means there is no egg for sperm to fertilize, so pregnancy can't happen. And another mechanism is that it makes vaginal fluid thicker. Okay, now what are the uses? It is not only used for contraceptive purpose but also for irregular cycle. It also prevents heavy menstrual bleeding, and some women complains of ovarian cyst. With the use of these combined oral contraceptive pills, the risk of ovarian cyst and ultimately the ovarian cancer can be reduced. So these are very important benefits of combined oral contraceptive pills which are present in the Famila 28. Now, how to use the Famila 28? Okay, you can see the complete packing, and we will tell the patient that start the tablet from the white one. Okay, start the tablet from the white tablet and go in proper order until you reach 28 days. So 21 days white tablets and then 7 days brown tablets. Okay, so what instructions for the use will be given to the patient? We will advise to the patient to use it after meal and every day at the same time, and start with a white tablet for 21 days and then brown tablets in order till the end. What are the possible side effects? The possible side effects of Famila 28 includes these following. Okay, nausea, vomiting, headache, bloating or dyspepsia, weight gain, and breast tenderness. These are the possible side effects. Now, what are the contraindications? Women with breast cancer, women with raised blood pressure, depression, diabetes, liver or renal failures. If the woman presents with these types of problems, we should advise them to avoid oral contraceptives. although there's a big list of certain contraindication, which you can study from EBM or from FSRH guideline about contraception, UK MAC category 3 and 4, or basically the contraindications of combined oral contraceptive pills. But in this video, I was just intended to tell you some brief description about FemLab 28, which you can tell to the patient. Okay, thank you so much for your patience.